Are you interested in Smartproxy's Firefox add-on? Well, you should be, as it brings the whole proxy package right to your favorite browser. It's easy to set up and equally effortless to use. So let's check out how to add it, shall we? First, you want to download the extension. Open your Firefox browser, go to the browser add-ons, and search Smartproxy extension in the top right search bar. Remember, this is only for your Firefox browser. So if you start using any other browser, you'll be sending the request through your actual IP address and not the proxy. Download the extension, open it up, and get that bad boy added. Once you've added the extension, follow these simple steps to start connecting via proxy. Choose a proxy type, residential or data center. Select the proxy location. It's entirely up to you if you want to be specific with a country or state, or you just want to go with random. Step 3. Select the session type, sticky or rotating. If you choose a rotating session, your proxies will change with every connection request. If you choose a sticky session on our Firefox add-on, proxies will rotate more slowly and you'll have the same IP address for up to 10 minutes at a time. Step 4. Select an authentication method. There's 2 to choose from. You can either use your Smartproxy credentials, your username and password, or you can simply choose whitelisted IP authentication option. Note that the whitelisted IP authentication method isn't available for data center proxies. Then, all you need to do is click the nice little slider to turn on proxies. Once connected, the extension will display your chosen location and session type. A couple of useful features and things to know. It's a good idea at this point to clear your cookies and cache. Go to the 3 dots in the top right corner, click Clear Cookies and Cache, and poof! Your previous browsing data is gone. And how about dark mode? Just choose your side, light or dark, and change the appearance of the add-on accordingly. Of course, errors can happen. If you encounter any, just contact us via the live chat button or visit our help docs. Are you convinced that Smartproxy's Firefox add-on is indeed a super easy to use tool? Then what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and download your Firefox add-on now.